Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best multi-process welders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Femoral Plasma Cutter Welder Combo 200A, a versatile 6-in-1 welding machine that offers Flux MIG, Gas MIG, HF TIG, stick, plasma cutting, and spot welding capabilities. This machine provides a solid entry point for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts looking for a multifunction tool. With a maximum severance cut of up to 16 millimeters and an ideal clean cut of 10 millimeters under 220 volts. It handles a variety of metals, including stainless steel, alloy steel, and aluminum, making it great for smaller scale projects. Design-wise, the Femoral is compact and lightweight, weighing 42.9 pounds, which is manageable for a machine of its capabilities. It comes with a comprehensive package that includes a MIG torch, plasma cutting torch, TIG torch, and other accessories like a ground clamp and air filter regulator. While the build quality is decent, it lacks the premium feel found in higher-end models. The digital control interface enables synergic MIG functionality, making it beginner-friendly, while manual MIG settings cater to more experienced users. The HF TIG mode is a standout feature for precise welding, although it may not rival more advanced TIG welders. In terms of performance, the Femoral is reliable for light-duty tasks, but struggles with prolonged heavy-duty use due to its 60% duty cycle at full power. While it's a cost-effective solution for basic welding and cutting needs, its limitations in advanced features and durability put it at number 5 on our list. Pros include its versatility, affordability, and beginner-friendly interface. Cons are its limited customer reviews and lesser-known brand reputation. Ideal for hobbyists and DIYers rather than industrial use. At number 4, we have the SSIMDER MIG Welder 200 Plasma Cutter Combo, a feature-packed 10-in-1 welding machine. This unit goes beyond traditional multi-process welders by introducing advanced features like pulse MIG welding for aluminum, HF TIG with foot pedal compatibility, and memory mode for saving up to 10 parameter presets. With a robust 200 amp output, and a 100% duty cycle at 154 amp. This machine is built for heavy-duty jobs, making it suitable for professionals and serious DIYers. The design of the SSIMDER SD4050 Pro is compact yet durable, weighing 47 pounds. The high-frequency start TIG functionality allows for precise seams, even from challenging angles, while the Pilot Arc plasma cutter effortlessly cuts materials up to 3/4 inches thick. The LCD display is intuitive and offers smart control options, further simplifying the user experience. However, additional accessories like the spool gun and foot pedal need to be purchased separately, which might increase the overall cost for those looking to utilize all its features. Performance-wise, it excels in versatility, handling both welding and cutting tasks with ease. The Pulse MIG mode is ideal for aluminum welding, and its plasma cutter is efficient for thick materials. However, the machine's advanced features might be overwhelming for beginners, and it's better suited for those with prior welding experience. Pros include its wide range of capabilities, professional-grade performance, and intuitive controls. Cons are the higher learning curve and additional costs for optional accessories. Overall, it's a powerful and versatile machine, but the complexity and price keep it at number 4. At number 3 is the Thulium MIG TIG Cut Stick Welder, a reliable 5-in-1 multi-process machine that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned welders. This machine combines welding and cutting capabilities, offering MIG, TIG, stick, plasma cutting, and even aluminum welding with a compatible spool gun, sold separately. It delivers up to a 200A output and features dual voltage compatibility, making it versatile for various power sources. The Thulium stands out for its practical design and build quality. At 45.7 pounds, it's heavier than some other models, but the robust construction ensures durability. The large LCD panel is easy to navigate, displaying welding functions and parameters clearly. The plasma cutter can achieve a maximum severance cut of up to 12 millimeters, making it ideal for clean cuts. While the machine supports MIG synergistic settings for beginners, it also has manual settings for professionals who prefer control over their welds. In terms of performance, the Thulium is a solid all-rounder, excelling in light to medium-duty tasks. It handles aluminum welding with ease, but requires additional accessories like spool guns for optimal results. Its versatility across multiple processes and the inclusion of a plasma cutter make it a great value proposition for DIYers, hobbyists, and even professionals working on smaller-scale projects. Pros include its clear interface, robust performance, and multiple functionalities. Cons are its heavier weight and the need for additional purchases to unlock all features. Overall, this is a dependable and versatile machine that earns its spot at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the Welder MIG 205DS Pro, a 5-in-1 multi-process aluminum MIG welder that's perfect for professionals and advanced users. This machine offers gas MIG, Flux core MIG, spool gun MIG for aluminum, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities, allowing it to tackle a wide range of applications. With a powerful 200 amp output and dual voltage compatibility, it's versatile enough for both thin and thick materials, including steel and aluminum. The design of the MIG 205DS Pro is sleek and user-friendly, weighing 36.8 pounds. The advanced digital display provides real-time feedback on voltage, wire feeding speed, and amperage, making adjustments simple and precise. The machine supports synergic MIG settings, which automatically adjust wire feeding speed and voltage based on material thickness, a feature that's perfect for beginners. For experienced welders, the manual MIG mode allows for fine-tuned adjustments to suit specific welding preferences. Performance is where the Welder truly shines. It's consistent, reliable, and handles both light and heavy-duty tasks with ease. The addition of spool gun compatibility makes it one of the best options for aluminum welding in this price range. Its safety features, including protections against overcurrent and overheating, add peace of mind during extended use. Pros include its versatility, advanced user interface, and professional-grade performance. Cons are its slightly higher price point and the need for additional accessories, like a spool gun for aluminum welding. Overall, this machine is a powerhouse and earns its spot at number 2 for its blend of functionality, performance, and user-friendly design. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Welder gasless 160A multi-process MIG welder, a 4-in-1 welding machine that combines affordability, versatility, and user-friendly design. This device supports flux core MIG, gas MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including automotive repairs, DIY projects, and light construction. With dual voltage compatibility, 110-volt, 220-volt, and a 160A output, it's a perfect choice for beginners and intermediate welders. The YWM-160 is lightweight and only 19.4 pounds, making it highly portable for on-the-go welding tasks. The compact design doesn't compromise on durability, with a sturdy metal and plastic construction. The advanced LED digital display offers excellent visual clarity, allowing users to easily monitor and adjust settings. Synergic control is a standout feature, automatically recommending voltage and wire feeding speed based on material thickness, a huge advantage for newcomers to welding. Manual controls are also available for more experienced users who prefer customization. Performance-wise, the Welder YWM-160 delivers reliable and stable results across various scenarios. It supports multiple rod types in stick welding mode and works with both 2LB and 10LB spools for MIG welding, providing flexibility for different projects. Safety features like automatic voltage compensation and protections against overheating ensure long-term reliability. Pros include its lightweight design, beginner-friendly interface, and robust safety features, while cons are its lower amperage compared to larger models and the need for additional accessories for TIG welding. Overall, this welder combines portability, performance, and value, making it the best choice for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale professionals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.